Hello everyone and welcome to my story. Christmas is coming and here I am doing the 1,000 peso challenge for Noche Buena. So since I live in the island, I will be buying all the goods na gagamitin ko dito sa Prince Hypermart. So here I am doing the challenge with love. So without further ado, let's do this. So I have here 900 grams of drumstick for the fried chicken and another 900 grams of thigh for the chicken afritada. So after adding garlic, we're going to add pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt in each 900 grams of chicken. Make sure to mix this properly because we're going to marinate this for a couple of minutes. So set this aside and let's proceed to our buko salad. First thing to do is to add 1 can of condensed milk, 8 cups of water, and then we're going to mix this slowly and also slowly adding the gulaman mixture. Make sure to use zang gulaman to achieve the same texture and taste. So, lutuin ito sa medium-high heat. Haluin lang ng haluin hanggang it's about to boil o malapit na kumulo. Turn off the fire and transfer na natin ito. Sure to remove the bubbles kasi gusto natin yung makinis na gulaman for our buko later. Let's proceed to our chicken afritada. Naglagay na ako ng 1 tablespoon of oil. Tapos lalagyan na yung onion and garlic. One piece of chicken knorr cubes. Make sure na mamelt yung knorr before natin lalagay yung chicken. So, ayan, let's add our marinated thigh. Kapag half cook na yung chicken, i-add na natin yung hunts, tomato sauce, tsaka haluin. After ng halo, ilalagay na natin yung gulay, patatas, and carrots. After adding ng gulay, add tayo ng 1.5 cup ng tubig. Tapos, haluin lang natin ito at takpan hanggang maging half cook yung ating gulay. So this time, dahil half cook na yung gulay natin, mag-add na tayo ng 1 tablespoon of sugar and pepper. So kapag luto na yung vegetable natin and the chicken, it's ready. So here, mag-add ako ng 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil para sa ating pasta. Alam naman natin lahat kung paano ito lutuin, so no need ka na explain. After maluto, i-drain natin yung pasta at set aside while making our spaghetti sauce. Naglagay na ako ng 1 tablespoon of oil. Ngayon, isasaute natin yung onion and garlic. So, i-add ko na yung ham. You might wondering bakit ham yung ginagamit ko kasi mas bet po na yung mga kids ko yung ham instead of hotdog. After maluto ng ating ham, i-add na natin yung 1 can San Marino corn tuna yung kulay red. Pero kung bet nyo naman medyo spicy, you can use the yellow one. So, i-add na natin yung sauce at isi-simmer ng bahagya. Pepper, and then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I-mix lang natin ito and simmer. And after that, we're going to add our pasta. I-mix natin yung pasta. Nakagisnan talaga dito sa bahay na i-mix yung pasta together with the sauce directly before serving. Enjoy! So now, let's proceed to our buko gulaman salad. So nakuskus ko na po ito gamit yung pangkuskus ng niyog. Now I'm going to add our fruit cocktail. And then we're going to add the sauce, the cream densada, and mix it all together. And then, ilagay natin sa ref. Kasi mas masarap talaga siya kapag malamig. So, here's my buko gulaman salad. Enjoy! So now, let's proceed to our fourth recipe, the crispy fried chicken. Now, I'm adding crispy fry powder for 1 kilogram chicken and then 1 cup of flour. So, after that, i-mix lang natin ito. And then, lalagay yung ating chicken drumstick. So, after maluto ng ating fried chicken, let's proceed to our fudgy cake. So, now, let's proceed to our ace biscuit. Ang gagawin mo lang ay didurugin mo lang ito. Hanap ka lang ng pamukpok or di kaya bote or kahit ano na masisiw. So, in baking this cake, gagamit lang ako ng rice cooker. So, what I'm doing here is, pinapahiran ko lang yung edges at saka bottom ng rice cooker with oil. And then, maglalagay ako ng parchment paper. And then, I'm going to add the cake butter. Scatter din natin yung butter natin. And we're going to cook this in a rice cooker for 25 minutes, including the shifting to warm mode. Kapag dry na ang ibabaw ng cake, ibig sabihin ay tuto na kagaya nito. Very soft and fudgy na yung itsura. And then, I just melt curly tops. So, ito na yung magiging chocolate sauce or frosting natin sa cake nito. So, sa 1 pack na curly tops, nagtira po ako ng 5 pieces para ipang toppings natin. Ayan. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy my 1,005 dishes for Christmas. Please leave a comment down below if you like my recipe or if you have tried it. Thank you, and Merry Christmas everyone. Adios!